Hi children, welcome to our Geography Olympiad class. So far we have learned 4 states according to the alphabetical order. We have learned Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Bihar. Today in class 5 we are going to learn about Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur and the major cities of Chhattisgarh are Raipur, Bilaspur, Raigarh, Durg, Bhilai, Korba. And the tourist places of Chhattisgarh are, there are so many tourist places, very important places like Bastar, Amritdhara waterfalls, Tiger Point, Chitrakoot, Tirathgarh, Tatapani hot spring, wildlife sanctuaries are major attraction of this Chhattisgarh, and Singhpur caves with prehistoric paintings, Konkan Ghati National Park, Indravati National Park, Kongar Valley National Park. If we see the location of Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh is a state in central India which is bordered by Madhya Pradesh on the northwest, Maharashtra on the southwest, Telangana on the south, Odisha on the east, Jharkhand on the northeast, and Uttar Pradesh on the north. The geographical facts. The northern and southern parts of state are hilly while the central part is fertile plain. Major rivers that flow through this region are Mahanadi, Rihand, Godavari and Indravati. Mountains found in this region are Satpura Range, Michael Hill Range, Bastar Hills, Sonpur Hills and Deoghar Hills. There is only one airport in Chhattisgarh. So this main airport of this state is Swami Vivekananda International Airport, Raipur. And the principal language is Hindi. It is the official language and even Chhattisgarhi is also spoken here. The interesting facts. Chhattisgarh is known as Dhan Ka Katora, means rice bowl of India. India's biggest waterfall is situated in Bastar, Chhattisgarh. The ancient name of this region is Dakshin Kausal. It borders with 7 states, Uttar Pradesh in the north, Jharkhand in the northeast, Odisha in the east, Andhra Pradesh in the south, Telangana in the southwest, Maharashtra in the west, Madhya Pradesh in the northwest. The highest peak of the state is Bailadila Range in Dantewada district with an altitude of 1276 meters. Chitrakoot Waterfalls is located near Jagdalpur in Bastar district. The name of its river is Indravati. Due to its large span during monsoon season, it is also called as Niagara Falls of India. So, this Chitrakoot waterfalls is also known as Niagara Falls of India. And mineral resources of Chhattisgarh are copper, coal, iron, limestone, bauxite, dolomite, manganese and diamond. And the main industries of Chhattisgarh are, most of the industries are mineral based like Balco, Bhilai steel plant, the well known Baldia mines, a lot of power projects, steel plant of Bhilai and many other cement factories belong to this state. Chhattisgarh accounts for 15% of total steel production of the country. Agriculture products of Chhattisgarh are tendu leaves, chironji, harhar, baheda, mahu flowers, and sal seeds. Chhattisgarh is that it accounts for 70% of tendu leaves production. These leaves are used to make bidis. Chhattisgarh has 3 national parks and 11 wildlife sanctuaries, making it one of the most important contributors to the flora and fauna map of India. High sex ratio of 991 is to 1000, putting it at fifth among the Indian states. Talk about diversity. We are practicing it and setting an example for the nation. The state is widely appreciated for a lot of policies for food and health that the state government has passed in favor of its people. It certainly looks a state that is concerned in its people's welfare. Sirpur, a perfect melange of the art, heritage of history, was the capital city of the ancient Dakshin Kaushala. With this, the state Chhattisgarh information is over. And children, as I told you, after 5 states, you will be conducted a quiz. So, in my next class, you will have a quiz. Okay, so be ready, prepare for that. Take all the notes and go through the notes and learn the things and get well prepared for the test. Okay, bye. Thank you.